Hey everyone, so Buddy wants to show off his muscles today. You ready, Buddy? Show him your muscles. Wings. Good job. You gonna do wings? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I taught Buddy how to do wings. I get a perch, put him on it, kind of towards the end of it, and I'm going to bounce it a little bit. When he spreads his wings like that, you're going to say the word. Wings. Give him a treat. Wings. And just give him a treat. And you're going to practice that for a while. And then you're going to put him on a stabilized perch once you feel like he's got that idea. So you put him on a perch like this one. You're going to hold your treat in your hand and you're going to flap your wings. Wings. Good job, Buddy. And just give him a treat when he gets his wings. 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 Well, at least I got a good workout. That's right, a good workout it was. Just be consistent with the word, and once he starts doing that on command, then you can ask another family member to try it and see if your bird will listen to them.
Losing wings. Good job, buddy. You still do it.
The wings is you have to do the wings, and if he does the wings, he gets a treat.
But you need to practice saying that word with your bird every day until he does it on command. But sometimes you may have to sing it. Wings. 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 Okay, so I have him on his perch right here. If he'll stay on it. Let's try it again. Wings. Wings. Let's do it again. Show your muscles. Wings. No. Wings. Buddy, wings. Oops.
Buddy, that's not wings.
Wings. You want a treat? And we want to thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you guys' support. And we want to invite you to visit our Etsy shop and subscribe to our channel so you can receive more fun videos. And remember, here at Brownie's Birdhouse, we strive to help all bird families stay safe, happy, and healthy.